Let's take a closer look at how teachers can provide timely, constructive, and meaningful feedback to students on their responses that they've submitted to a topic in Flipgrid. So here I am inside my Assessment and Technology Explorers grid, and I want to take a look at the responses submitted to my latest topic. I click on that topic to open it up, and here inside I can see the topic prompt, and I can see that 4 of my participants have submitted video responses. Let's take a closer look at Erin's response. So I'm just going to click on it and notice that the video starts playing. So I can hit pause or I can hit play in order to view Erin's video. Now, after I've reviewed Erin's video response, I have a few different ways that I, as a teacher, can reply or provide feedback for Erin. One of the ways is if I wanted to provide general feedback that applied to the entire class and it was okay for all of the students to see, I could simply click the reply button here. When I click on the reply button, the Flipgrid Recorder opens up and I have access to all of the features of the recorder, including filters, text overlay, stickers, photo stickers, even whiteboard mode, in order to record a reply that is public. So not only would Erin see it, but all of his classmates would be able to click and view this response as well. Notice that I have 2 minutes to record this response. All right, back inside the review of Erin's video, notice that I also have this button up here in the top right corner for video feedback. By clicking this button, this will allow me to record private video feedback. In other words, the feedback will only be viewable by Erin, not his classmates. Again, when I click this button, the Flipgrid Recorder opens up, and now I have 5 minutes in order to leave a private video response to Erin. And again, I have all of the filters, text overlay, stickers, photo stickers, and whiteboard mode, all of the features of the Flipgrid Recorder in order to customize my response and make it meaningful to Erin. Finally, I can also provide written feedback for Erin. Notice that I have a comments box here where I have up to 1,024 characters to provide meaningful, constructive feedback for his video response. Keep in mind when providing any feedback, whether it be private video feedback or written comments, that we want to make sure that that feedback not only celebrates the student's video response, but also questions and provides suggestions to help feed forward the student's learning. Now, once you've provided feedback for a student's video response, as I have done for Erin here in the comments, there are a few different ways that students can view this video feedback. So number 1, I could copy the feedback link and I could go to my Google Classroom and share this link with my student in a private comment. If the grid is set up so that students are signing in to access and record responses in the grid with their school email address, so logging in with Google or Microsoft, I could simply click email feedback to email the feedback directly to the student. I can also encourage my students to visit my.flipgrid.com. When they go to my.flipgrid.com, they will be prompted to log in with either Google or Microsoft, and again, they use their school email address. And once they've logged in, they'll be able to see all of the videos that they have recorded in all of the different topics that they're participating in, and they'll be able to see any feedback that has been provided for them. Now, again, remember that if your grid is set up with student ID and you've created a unique ID for each child, you will have to copy the feedback link and provide this feedback directly through Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams, or sending it in an email to the student.